how to create a group chat on KakaoTalk. In today's guide, I'll be showing you how you can create a group chat on KakaoTalk. So let's get started. First, open the KakaoTalk application on your device. Now once you are logged in, go to the chat section right here, tap on chat. Here you can see all the chats you have started. Now in order to create a group chat, all you need to do is tap on this chat icon right here, tap on it. Now once you tap on the chat, you can see team chat right here. Just tap on team chat. Now you can just select the members from here. As I have only one friend in mine, it's not showing there, but in your case all of the friends will be listed here, and just choose them like this. Tap on their name and choose them and tap on. You can also search by their name or phone number from here. Search for them and just add them and tap on next. Now you can just enter a team name, enter it. Now once you enter it, you can just tap on OK. Now all you need to do is create a password and re-enter your password. Once you do that, your group chat will be created. Hope this video helped you. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.